Class continuation map function example. Write a program to add the list object elements. One list object and y equal to another list object. Normally z equal to another empty list. I comma j inch pop x comma y z dot append of I plus j into object. The same logic I implemented by using map function. Map of lambda I comma j I plus j x comma y I am passing. Now this result I am trying to convert it into list format. Next one, that result I want to print it. Okay, our x means 1, 2, 3. And y means 4, 5, 6. Okay, the map function takes the I value from first iterable object. Next one, take the j value from second iterable object. One plus 4, 5. Next one, take the second element from first iterable object and take the second element from second iterable object. Now 2 plus 5. Now the result is a 7. Take the next element from first iterable object. Take the next element from second iterable object. Okay, the map function to give the output as a one map object. That map object is converting into which format? List format. Now we will get the output as a list format. That is the execution. Next one, reduce function. Reduce function. The reduce function is used to reduce the number of elements into single value. The reduce function is used to reduce the number of elements into single value. That means the reduce function always to return the output as a single value. In Python 2.x, reduce function is a built-in function. But in Python 3.x, the reduce is not a built-in function. In Python 2.x, the reduce is a built-in function, but in Python 3.x, the reduce is not a built-in function. Python 2.x. Reduce of function from a iterable object. Now observing very clearly, this is a 2.x version. My requirement, I want to find the sum of these list object elements. Now I am using a reduce function lambda I comma j, I plus j comma x. Next one, print that result. If observing very clearly, the reduce function takes the attributes like as I and j values from the iterable object. Four plus three. Now the result is the 7. The result of these two variables, that result is passing to the post argument I. Next one, the j value takes from the given iterable object. Next, previous I value is 7. Now j value is also 7. 14. Again, this result is storing into I variable. Next one, j value takes from the next element from the given iterable object. I value is 14. Now j value is 2. If no more elements in our iterable object, stop the execution to print the final I value. What is the final I value? 16. That is the result. Next one, example in Python 3.x. Okay, same example. I am trying to executing in Python 3.x. Then immediately we'll get the error message. In Python 3.x, reduce is not a built-in function. Now observing very clearly, one module is available. Import that module. Import func tools. Function tools is a one module. In that module, reduce is a function. Next one, call by value. In call by value, our original value is not modified. Now I'm taking as one x value. I am defining one function f1, print of y. I am updating the y value. Now observing very clearly, x value initially 10, then immediately control will go to the statement. This is a function definition. Then immediately control will go to from here to here. This is a which statement? Function calling. Control will go to function definition. Now this x value is passing to this parameter y. Now y value is 10. Now this body logic is executed. 10 is printed. Next one, y value is updated. 10 plus 5, 15. Now control go to here. But our x is not affected. Our x value 10 still is available. In call by value, our original value is not modified. We can modify any value that is affected within that function only. Next one, call by reference. Call by reference. Call by reference. Our original value is also modified. Our original value is also modified. Python can implement the call by reference by using indexes or indexing. Completed. Y of 2 equal to 30. Our original data is also affected. Previously, our original data is not affected. Now, original data is also affected. In Python, we can implement the call by reference by using indexing. Completed. Next example, create a function. Create a function to return the number of elements or characters in a given iterable object. Create a function to return the number of elements or characters in a given iterable object. Suppose I am taking as x equal to 1 string object and y equal to 1 list object. Now I want to find the number of characters. How to find that one? Simply we are using length function. Now don't using this length function, we can implement our own logic. Now I'm taking as a one iterable object, avail of input of enter iterable object. Observing very clearly, I am defining one function, my length. Next one, count value initially I am taking as a 0. Take the 1 by 1 element per element in x. Now every time count value is updated. Finally, print count. Now I'm calling my function my underscore length of the iterable object. I am passing the parameter. Now I'm passing the string object. Next one, create a function to return the sum of given iterable object elements. Now observing very clearly, this is my iterable object. I want to find the sum. Simply we are using sum of y. Now don't be using the sum function. We can implement our own logic. Sum function Initially, I'm taking as a sum value 0. Take the 1 by 1 element from X. Sum value is updated with the element. Finally, sum value. Create a function. Create a function to return the minimum element from the given iterable object. Now observing very clearly. I want to find the minimum element min of y. I will get the output is 2. Now don't using this minimum function. Okay, we can return your own logic. Now observing very clearly. Okay, now observing very clearly. I want to take the first element from the iterable object. How to find the first element? The first element index value is 0. I am taking as a first element as a minimum element, x of 0. Now I want to take the 1 by 1 element from x. For element in x, I want to comparing that element on the m value. If m is greater than element, now I want to change the m value, m equal to element. Finally, I want to print m. Completed. Next, another example. Create a function to return the maximum element from the given iterable object. Create a function to return the maximum element from the given iterable object. Now observing very clearly. Here I am using greater than symbol. Simply I am using less than symbol. Next, another example. Create a function. Create a function to return the elements in ascending order from the given iterable object. Now observing very clearly. Now how to find that one? Simply we are using sorted function. Now, don't using this sorted function, we can implement our own logic. Ascending order. Now observing very clearly. For I in range of length of x, or j in range of length of, here starting number is I plus 1 to length of x. If x of I is greater than x of j. Now I want to swapping the values. X of I, comma, x of j is equal to x of j, comma, x of I. Finally, print my x. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is our own logic. Now observing very clear. This is my list object. List object indexing always starting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. Now I am passing this object as a parameter to the at the time of calling this function. Now this object is passing to x. Now x in the sense list of 3, 7, 2, 5. Now range of length of x means 4. Range of 4 means I values are 0, 1, 2, 3. First one I value is 0. For j in range of 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 means 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4 means j values are 1, 2, 3. Okay, that means here I am taking as the first element and finding the minimum element from these elements. If minimum element we are finding, we can swap it. Now observing very clearly x of I means 0 is greater than x of j. J value is 1. X of 0 is greater than x of 1. X of 0 means 3 is greater than x of 1 means 7. 3 greater than 7. Condition is true or false? 3 greater than 7. False. That's why control will go to outside the if block. Again control go to for loop. Next one j value is updated. J value is 2. Now still I value is 1. X of 0 means 3 is greater than x of 2. X of 2 means 2. 3 greater than 2. Condition is true or false? 3 greater than 2. Condition is true. Now control will go to if block. Now we can swapping the values. How to swap the values? X of I comma x of j, that means x of 0 comma x of 2, x of 2 comma x of 0, that means this value is passing to here, and this value is passing to here. 2, 7, 3, and 5. Are you clear? Next one, again control go to for loop. Now J value is updated, J value is 3. Now x of 0 means 2 is greater than x of 3. X of 3 means 5. 2 greater than 5. Condition is true or false? False. Control will go to outside this block. Again control go to for loop. If no more elements are over. Control will go to outside this for loop. Again control go to this one. Next one, I value is updated. Next I value is 1. 1 plus 1 means 2. 2 comma 4. Now the J values are only 2 and 3. Now observing very clearly, J value is 2. I value is 1. J value is 2. X of 1. X of 1 means take 7 and comparing remaining elements. Okay, now 7 greater than x of 2 means 3. Condition is true or false? 7 greater than 3. True. Okay, here in this particular iteration, I am taking as a 7 and comparing the remaining elements. Now 7 greater than 3, condition is true. We can swap the values. Okay. Next one, control will go to outside the block. Again, control go to for loop. J value is updated. J value is 3. X of 1 means 3 and x of 3 means 5. 3 greater than 5. Condition is false. Control will go to outside this block. Again, control go to for loop. If no more elements, again, control will go to outside this for loop. Again, control go to this for loop. Next I value is 2. Now 2 plus 1 means 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 means 3 is included and 4 is excluded. Now J value is 3. Okay, now observing very clearly, our I value is which one? 2. J value is 3. X of 2 means 7 greater than x of 3. X of 3 means 5. 7 greater than 5. Condition is true. Now these two values we are swapping. Next one, again control bit go to outside this block. Again control bit for loop. If no more elements, 3 comma 4 means only 3. 3 is over. Again control go to outside this for loop. Again control go to this for loop. Now I value is 3. Now observing very clearly, 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 means 4. Our length of x is also 4. 4 comma 4. Already we were discussing in the range function, we are passing both start value and stop value as the same number. In that case, there is no elements. Now then immediately control will go to outside this for loop. Here don't return any logic. Again control go to for loop. Here if no more element, 0, 1, 2, 3 is over. Then immediately control will go to here, print x. This x value is printed. Create a function to return the elements in descending order. Now observing very clearly, simply we can change greater than to less than. Completed. Create a function. To return the elements in reverse order from the given iterable object. Completed. Now observing very clearly. My reverse order. Okay, initially I'm taking as a one empty list for I in range of length of x -1 up to -1. Okay, this is a starting value, this is a stop value, this is a decrement value, step value. Y dot append of x of I. Finally print of y. Now this is the reverse order. 92735. Completed. Now observing very clearly. For suppose I'm taking as a one list object 3, 7, 2, 5. Okay, now I'm taking as a one empty list. Now for I in range of length of x minus 1. Length of x minus 1 means what are the indexes? 0, 1, 2, 3. Length of x means 4. 4 minus 1 means 3. 3 to up to -1 decremented by -1. That means 3, 3 minus 2, 1 means 3 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Now post I value is 3. Now y dot append of x of 3. X of 3 means what is the element? 5. That 5 will be adding into our list. Next one, what is the next I value? 2. Now x of 2. What is x of 2? 2. Next one again control go to for loop. Now next I value is 1. X of 1. X of 1 means 7. Again control go to for loop. Now I value is 0. Now x of 0. X of 0 means 3. Again control go to this for loop. If no more elements, 3 to 1 is 0 is over. Now then immediately control go to here, print y. Now this y is the output. Next class onwards, we'll starting advanced Python.